Hi everyone, and welcome to this short video in which I'm going to talk a little bit about the 2-minute video presentation that you've been asked to do. There's a website here which I'll link to in the course by the time you see this, and it talks about the power of 1-minute videos. Now it's about marketing, but it's from a company called Blitzmetrics, and there's the CTO there, Chief Technology Officer. And he talks about the different elements of the 1-minute video, but we're doing 2 minutes, so you have more time to do this. But he talks about the 4 key elements, and that's what I wanted to talk about in this video. The first one is the hook, which is the first, say, probably for us, 0 to 10 seconds. What's going to draw people into your solution? Talking about the pain and the pleasure, so people must identify with the problem or the opportunity, in our case, the solution, which is the opportunity, and ask a question. Show success or failure and make it clear the benefit of the solution. So really, that's all you have to do in this video is make it clear what is the benefit of the solution and how does it work. So probably the majority of your time will be describing the solution. What are you offering? What is the solution? What is if it's a business thing, what's the product or service that you're offering? And what would you like people to do with it? So these are the 4 main steps. This is a fairly universal framework that I've seen used many times in many different areas. So have a look at this page here. You can read through it, and I'll post some example videos, and I'll make one myself shortly explaining how to do it. And probably one of the things that you'll need to know is, what does it look like? What's the end result look like? And how can we use that? Now, the main reason I'm doing this is because one of the key skills in any kind of problem-solving endeavor is being able to describe your solution in a way that other people can understand it, and perhaps it even matches the story in their own head. So if everybody's experiencing a problem and they have the same perspective on that problem, well, that's great, but they probably haven't thought of a solution yet. If the solution alleviates some of the pain in the situation, then we need to make it abundantly clear how that solution does that. Part of the problem we encounter, especially I've encountered in my time in problem-solving research, is when we try to explain solutions, often they're complex, convoluted, multi-layered, and very difficult to explain, but sometimes it's just a question of framing, so you've just got to be able to say to people, look, this is what the solution is, and this is why it will work. So that's what these videos are all about. So previously in this course and other courses I've taught, we ask people to write reports, and that's not going to be read by anyone. We want real action and real change, and to do that, we have to inspire people to believe in our solutions. And part of that comes from these kinds of short videos. So this is just a skill which I've learned over the years. It's helped me. It's helped many people I know, and it's quite useful to have that kind of thing going. So read the link there, have a look at what they've got there. He's got some examples there, a 1-minute video from a guy called Elliot. You can see that on the top side of your screen. You can watch that. That's a very short one. I'll record a couple of examples that you can draw from. I'll find a couple of pictures or diagrams that you can use. And all we're really expecting is a video like this, a screencast in which you go through the steps and phases of solving a problem. So this is one framework you can use, which I found quite helpful over the years. Okay, thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next video.